Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at Vechain on our daily time frame. As we can see, getting a very significant drop here over the past few days, purely because Bitcoin has been retracing on the charts. As I've said in my previous videos multiple times, if Bitcoin does have a big retrace, which I have been fearing that it will, considering what it's looking like on the charts, then we were going to see the exact same thing for all of our altcoins. We know by now, if you've been in crypto for any amount of time at all, that when Bitcoin drops, the whole market drops with it. And generally speaking, when we're pumping, we get little cycles of pumping. Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana go first, then your altcoins move, then your small caps move, then Bitcoin moves again. You can see here Bitcoin on the charts hasn't had a single big retrace since we broke the previous all-time high of around 74k. We pretty much went straight up in November without any pullbacks at all. And you can see over the past month, since the 11th of November till, just a few days ago, we've basically been grinding to the upside in this uptrend, as you can see, but not as impulsive as before. We've basically just been grinding to the upside continuously, and then we came up into this 100k area, which I thought would be a big snagging point for Bitcoin. You can see 100k is about this level here. We've got that deviation of the high. We got above the 127 Fibonacci extension as well at 105-ish k. You can see it's 104k there on the chart, and then we've had these three big red candles in a row. We've got these huge bearish divergences for Bitcoin at this local high on the daily, which is obviously a big concern. Losing momentum to the upside while still grinding to the upside slowly in this channel. It was only a matter of time, in my opinion, before we broke down and came down and finally got a big flush of leverage in the markets. And also just got ourselves a nice little retrace into this big open space here that hasn't been retested at all. I said in previous videos that heading back down towards around the 80k level, in my opinion, would be a pretty significant area that we could bounce out. If you could see, this is obviously the bottom of this big daily green candle here, and also this would be about a 50% retrace of the move, the impulse from here to here. You can see this is almost exactly the 50% mark from this low here at around 58k up to the all-time high. Or if you want to measure it all the way from the very bottom of the move down here to up to here, then we could see ourselves coming down even further, maybe to even retest the previous all-time high. We do see ourselves, as you can see on the charts here for Bitcoin, we do see ourselves getting 50% retraces of impulses all the time. 50%, this is a lovely impulse here, 50% retracement. Impulse here, 50% retracement. This was 100% retracement going sideways in a range. You can see here, massive impulse with I'd say around a 25% retracement there. Huge impulse here with a 50% retracement, even more than that. And now we're getting another huge impulse from here. You could easily see this coming back down and retesting the previous all-time high. Obviously, this is going to absolutely flush all of our altcoins back down into some very nice buying areas. And you can see for Vechain here, we have been selling some very nice flushing in the markets, as you can see. Heading down, I would say about a 50% retrace of the move. We are pretty much exactly touching that 50% retrace of the move now. The reason I say that is because in crypto, you very often get 50%, 60% retraces of the local impulsive move before you do start to see a significant bounce. It's usually a good area to look at when you're thinking of having a decent bounce in the markets. A lot of the time when you see a huge impulse in a local area, you do see yourselves having a nice retrace to at least 50% before continuation. You can see here for Vechain, we've had this really nice impulse from 1.8 cents all the way up to 8 cents here. So probably over a 4x. And now we're having a nice drop back into areas of support. You can see right now we're just flushing because Bitcoin is flushing in the markets. And we could easily see ourselves going lower. But I do think we'll probably start to see a bit of support being formed in this area here. Anywhere down towards this 2.7 to 3 cent area would be a really good area to retest as well. As I said in previous videos, We are still showing really nice bullish market structure, as you can see. Higher highs and higher lows. Right now Vechain having a bit of a flush, but I could imagine that we could see ourselves bouncing around in this area for a while. Anywhere from around 3 cents up to 6 or 7 cents going sideways like this, before we inevitably get that final push in the bull market when everything goes absolutely parabolic. Right now Vechain just having a retrace in line with the markets, and I'm not concerned at all. I just buy Vechain and the other cryptos that I buy some of it every month regardless of the price, and just continue to accumulate. So by the end of this month, if we're down here, let's say down here probably anywhere from around 3 to 4 cents in this area, it's just a good opportunity to accumulate more as we continue throughout this bull market. You can see we're still looking very bullish. Right now we're probably just going to retest back into this area down towards 3 cents in my opinion if Bitcoin continues to flush. If Bitcoin gets a bounce, then we'll probably just be chopping sideways in this area between 4 and 6 cents for the next few weeks. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. Bitrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.